313 to alert. You have visual?
That is correct, we do. We have Chase up with us.
Copy. Alert to all Seminole County units. Disengage from the initial pursuit. Follow at a safe distance behind. Let alert call, please. Stay far enough away. Let Orange County take it.
Real order 1026 at Colonial Surfing.
501 to alert. It looks like it's going to come back to our county. If you can let us know so we can get sticks set up and stuff. If they're going to come up the back way from 419.
Yeah, 10-4.
Units, you may engage pursuit.
Alright, he's on Lockwood. He's going northbound in the southbound lane. Alright, he just crossed back over. He's northbound lane again on Lockwood. Through. Still northbound Lockwood. Stand by. Hang on a minute. He's making a right-hand turn.
1574. I'm behind Oviedo. He's going towards the 7-Eleven at Lockwood and McCullough.
Alright, yeah, he's in a little shopping center right now. Vito's right behind him, or somebody's right behind him. Okay, he's coming out on 419. He's still southbound 419, passing 8th.
313 is pin an option for any unit engaged.
He's hit stop sticks, and it's a SUV. Stand by on the pit.
It's a really big. Broken suspension. He's about to lose it right now. We're at 419 in front of Hitch Post.
You're on traffic.